All right, so meatballs, everybody's got an idea of what they might like to do. But 2 to 1, sausage to meat. You can use regular pork and then just bring in more spice if you like to. I kind of like the way this comes out. Then we've done some very finely diced peppers, red, green, some onion in here. So they're just nice little pieces in here. I don't really... regular breadcrumbs, what we do is we save all the tails off the bread, dry them out, put them in the food processor, then you got crumbs, and then we mixed a little bit of Italian spice, pepper dust. We're gonna have some of that in here. Oh yeah.
Can't have enough of that.
No, you can't. You can add, if you want to, you could add some type of liquid in here. What looks good? White or red? Just white. A little bit of liquid here. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Okay. We'll get those mixed up.